soothing sounds in the background, crashing waves to help you relax. Lie back, close your eyes. Let your body get very, very comfortable. Adjust yourself, adjust the volume, and focus on these sounds. As you focus on the sounds in the background, those crashing waves, let these sounds relax you now. You are training yourself to relax your mind and your body, to let the whole world, to let today be washed away. Relax now. And as you think and say to yourself, relax. Relax now. Everything in the world begins to fade. Every outside noise you hear relaxes you deeper and further. So close your eyes and feel the heaviness of your eyelids. That it's good for you to relax your mind and your body. That it's a good use of your time to relax yourself, to go inside of your mind. And by winding down, by softening your mind and letting those thoughts go, you have more control in every aspect of your life. So it's easy for you to relax right here, right now, today, and to get up at the end of this session full of energy and feeling calm yet energized inside. So relax. You're training and teaching yourself how to let go, how to calm down, how to relax right now. That by taking this time today, just these few minutes, soothe your mind, soothe your body, and that you are able to get up at the end of this session and continue on with your day, your morning, or your evening, and to get everything done that you need to get done and feel in control in every way. Relaxing yourself from the top of your head all the way down to the tips of your toes happens naturally. And that comfortable feeling with each breath that you take, with each crashing wave that you hear in the background, takes you deeper and further into this moment that happens automatically, naturally, and easily. You are able to trust this moment. You are able to trust yourself that it's safe to relax your body and your mind. And you relax your head, your face, and your eyes. And you relax your head, you relax your face, you feel your jaw drop naturally. Your mouth stays moist and all the muscles in your neck release. And you relax yourself today by thinking relax and letting these waves wash any stress and tension away. Relaxing yourself is easy for you. It's something that you do, that it's natural, it's simple, and it feels so good to so many levels of you. Feel all the muscles in your shoulders now release and relax. Feel your shoulders let go and drop back. As your shoulders drop back, as they relax, your chest opens up And that calm, steady breath moves through your body. Anytime that you want to soothe you, that you want to relax any or all parts of you, all you need to do from this moment forward is focus on your breath and think relax. You are able to use those soothing sounds, these sounds behind you, to relax you even more, to relax you even further. That all relaxing means is for you to let go into this moment. And by focusing only on this moment, right here, these sounds and your breath today, you automatically relax in every way. You feel all the muscles in your back releasing and letting go. All the muscles in your arms relax. That comfortable feeling wraps around your elbows, down into your forearms, and finally further down into your wrists, hands, and fingers now. And it's a soothing, calming, supportive feeling. And it feels so good to let go, to be in this moment and relax completely today. Your body knows how to relax itself, so you let it. That relaxing is something natural, something easy, something healthy for you to do for you. And relaxing your mind and your body is a great way to help you, to support yourself, even to get to know you. So move into this moment. Let everything in the world fall away. Any and all thoughts that you have moving through your mind today, let these waves wash them away. And as these waves wash those thoughts away, feel any place in your body that was heavy or tight. Any place inside of you that had held on to these thoughts, and bring in your breath, these waves, to wash away any tightness today. And you relax deeper and further. You let go more and more. Relaxing yourself deeper and further than before. You notice your hips, and they seem to shift, to release and relax. Adjusting your body is so natural and easy for you that everything you do seems to bring you more and more comfort in this moment. Feel all the muscles in your legs release. Feel it in your thighs as it wraps around your knees and rolls down your calves into your ankles. And all the way down around your feet. Relaxing so deeply. And if you had any reason, anything specific in your mind of what you wanted to do today, what you're using your relaxed time for, anything at all, Think of it now or nothing at all. If there's anything that you want to relax away, image it today. And let these soothing sounds, these waves now, let them wash it away. And if you're using this to relax yourself because relaxing feels so good, then you may see the image relax in your mind. You may see it written in the sand on a beach. You may hear it, or think it to yourself, or say it easily. But as you say, relax, your body, your mind listens to you, and you do. So think relax. And as you think relax, feel yourself relax from the top of your head all the way down to the tips of your toes now. Feel that relaxed feeling washing over you. And think the word again, relax. And now imagine, feel, picture, created in your mind that these waves wash everything out of your mind, all the words, all the thoughts, everything at all. It just washes it away today. That when you say relax to yourself, you relax everything away. And you are able to use this simple technique of relaxing everything away today, relaxing your mind, relaxing your body, any time that you want to, any day, any night. That you may hear the soothing sounds in the background. That you may want to play this download, or the sounds in the background. Or you may simply just want to say, relax, relax now, and you do. You are the one that's in control of you. You are able to decide when you want to relax your body and your mind. You're in control of you, in control of your life, of all your choices and everything that you think, say, and do. So right here, right now, you think relax, and you let yourself. You let yourself relax. You let yourself want to. And the soothing sounds wash everything away. You're focused only on right here, right now, and your breath today. You may find that you love to let your mind unwind. That you picture different things or what you like. You may see a beautiful beach scene or anything with crashing waves. Or maybe it's just a plain blank screen. Whatever you image works for you. Whatever is good for you, you do. Letting these waves wash everything away from you. In any part of your body, anything in your mind that needs or wants a little more relaxed time, think of it now and use your breath to relax that part of you deeper and further. Feel that soothing, settling, cleansing feeling. As you relax now. And by relaxing your mind, by relaxing your body, you have more energy at the end of the session. You feel good about you, everything that you do. Supportive of yourself and all the decisions that you make. You feel that breath moving through your body and you feel healthy and strong, clear and confident. Taking this time to relax your body and your mind is a good use of your time. And think again to yourself, relax. Relax now. And you remain relaxed inside, calm in body and mind, yet energized. And one more time, you think relax. And you feel that shift within. Everything is okay. Everything is going your way. And as you listen to those sounds in the background that soothe you, now they energize you and you want to move. You want to take a deep breath and a big stretch at 1. At 2, you feel that shifting inside of you. At 3, another breath. A big stretch, and you're coming back to full conscious awareness, ready to get up and finish your morning, evening, day, or night from 3 to 4. Your eyes are clearing, cooling, and whitening as you come up. All the way up from 4 to 5, eyes cool, clear, white, and bright, wide awake, energized, and excited about your life. All the way up at 5. You may open your eyes whenever you're ready.